take a look at the last problem. So this says find the measure of xy if yw bisects xz. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a picture. I've got xz here, and we have yw that bisects it. So we'll go ahead and draw something that bisects. And we've got y and w, and it says it bisects at point y. So I'm going to go ahead and toss a y right on the point. I'm going to put a w somewhere else. That first one was actually a segment, so I'm going to get rid of those arrows in the ends there. And we're looking at a picture like this. It said bisect, so we know those are the same length. So it comes in and tells us that xy is 2x plus 3, and it tells us that yz is 6 minus 4x. All right, now since this is these two sections, that means that we're looking at congruent sections, and congruent sections have the same length. So we're going to go ahead and set those equal. I'll add the 4x over. That takes me up to a 6x. Plus 3 equals 6. I'll subtract the 3 over. 6x equals 3, and x equals 1/2. All right, and that takes us through for the x value. Now, you always want to check and see what they're asking for here. So it said find the measure of xy. All right, so xy is half of that segment. It's this piece. All right, it's also equivalent to 2x plus 3. So I'm going to take 2 times something plus 3. We just found out our something was 1/2, so I'll drop that in. 2 times 1/2 is 1. 1 plus 3 takes us to 4. All right, so we're looking at a value of 4, and that gives us the length of xy. Now notice I'm not putting any marking above xy because that is representing a length rather than the actual object itself. All right, so I hope that helps. That takes you through all the notes for today. Good luck with the homework. Bring your questions tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.